Don't know what that's for. Don't know what do we got here? We got a 2070 Super. I'm trying to figure out where this goes. Oh, this actually goes into this. But he didn't give me an SSD for it. So let's see what we got here. Is there an SSD under this? Nope, no SSDs. I'm assuming this guy doesn't actually have any SSDs. What? Yeah, no SSDs whatsoever. There we go. Yeah, I gotta take a look at the. Gotta take a look at the back here. He's got some drives. I just don't know. Jeez. Like he doesn't have anything like actually attached. So yeah, it looks like he just has a standard hard drive. Got this and an 8 terabyte Iron Wolf drive. Oh, here it is. We got an SSD. And then that's the power supply. And that's whatever that is. Yeah, this is something, man. Okay. He has every fan set to exhaust, or to intake, excuse me. So start getting this cleaned up now. Where the hell? Okay, everything's coming out. Like this cable is going under the motherboard. Everything's coming out. Like I always wonder if sometimes like my customers are bringing in, like they bring in computers specifically just to like mess with me. Yeah, this thing's coming all the way apart. We're going down just to bare motherboard, and I think this post is spinning, which it is. So let's screw that back in. That's stripped, so that's fun. I think I've never seen this board before. It has a knob on it for different BIOS options, I'm assuming. It is an ACE motherboard, whatever that means. We have different screws holding the motherboard in. All of these fans are spinning out, or this fans, all of these screws are spinning out the posts, which is exciting. Oh, this is even better. This top left screw is a fan screw. So that's even better. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Alright, so we're going to build this the way that I build everything now, which is get these fans set up the way they're supposed to. Actually get the motherboard in there, get all the stuff run to that. Then after that, then we run the fans. Then after that, we run the power supply. Seeing as that's going to be the cable I can use to hold everything in place now. Like, there was an attempt at cable management here. Like, I can see the attempt. Like, I genuinely can. But it just didn't work. Actually, like... Oh... Yeah, like, even, like, I can see, like, some of these cables have broken off from inside. This has to be, like, the lightest case, like, in the world. Like, there's nothing to this case. Alright, so I see whatever this... What is this button for? Oh, that's exciting. He broke the power button. Alright, so here's what we are looking at. Nothing crazy.
Hi there, Editing Chris here. You'll notice that my mouth is moving but no sound is coming out. I decided while working on this computer to put myself on mute accidentally, and I stayed muted for roughly 3 hours. So during this time you get to enjoy some royalty-free music. And you'll see the exact moment I realize that I'm muted. So, back to the video.
Have I been muted this whole time? I think I've been muted this whole time. Alright, cool. So the Z490 is a Intel board. I wonder when that happened. Well, that's gonna bug me now. Alright. End up using some double-sided tape on this guy. Zip tie time. Alright, let's see what happens when we try and turn this thing on now. We should be at a point where we can at least get video out of this. Very nice. Love that. All right.
Thanks for watching that video. You can check out some of the other videos for more tech-related content. And if you want to catch me live, I am on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, chat, and maybe learn a thing or two.